On the exciting weekend of August 18th and 19th, BSG Aesthetics made waves at the incredible ICES 2024, held in sunny Long Beach, California. Presenting our incredible products: BeautyToks, Ace of Face, Everline Exosome Set, and so much more. Our booth was a crowd pleaser, drawing in customers from all walks of life in the aesthetics industry. We got to meet so many incredible individuals at ICES 2024 who took time to learn from us and experience our products live. We also got a chance to experience several booths of companies we hadn't seen before. Overall, ICES 2024 will be an exhibition to remember with incredible people and the valuable insights from our talented clientele. Thank you everyone at ICES 2024.